Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mukesh and I'm IT design graduate, currently working as a product design manager at Rupiji, which is a trading broker, creating experience for a trader and investor. So in this video, we are going to talk about the 3 Figma AI plugin, which is really going to speed up your work and saves a lot of time if you're working as a UIUX designer at your company. So let's go. So let's start with the FigPal. So as we all know, FigPal was launched to just make it a fun element or a fun body in Figma. Whenever you're working alone in a file, you'll really have this element which will make you feel good. You can customize the character. So as per when I'm creating this video, that FigPal has already been removed and there is separate protest is going on to make FigPal back. So I will also show how to sign the petition. It's going to be presented in config, which is happening on 6th May. And if I'm working multiple people on the same projects, it's really fun. How you can see in the screen, right? So there is a different protest completely going on to make FigPal as a permanent feature for Figma, and there is separate petitions being signed. A lot of people are asking to make it a permanent feature. Every designer community want FigPal to stay, because it's a really interesting feature. If you can see here, this is the website. I'll share the link in the description where you can also sign the petition. So earlier 2500 petition were required to reach out to Figma to make it a permanent feature. How people are reacting, they're creating a very interesting character, they're having fun. Work is stressful, so little FigPal is kind of working as a fun buddy. So yeah, quite interesting. So I'll share the link for this petition where you can enter your name, last name, email, and you can also sign it, so that on 6th May when config is happening, they're gonna pitch it, and once it is back, it's really gonna have a fun again. So this is how I was talking about, right? The customization was possible for multiple different characters. You choose your own top and bottom section. You can customize with help of colors, or even you can take a photo and also create your own FigPal. Yeah, that's it about FigPal. Let's jump into the another feature. So if you love the content till now, please like the video and subscribe so that you will get a latest update of our upcoming videos. Our next feature called Annotations. You can find annotation in a comment drop down, and this feature, by the way, just for a specific note, this feature is only available in professional and above plan. This feature is not available in free plan. So if you are having a free account, you might not see this feature. So just be aware about that. If you are having a professional and enterprise plan, then you will see this feature. Okay. So annotation, I'll click on annotation. So this feature is gonna helpful if you're creating a design and handing off the design to a development team, and you want to make any specific note or a specific point highlighted to be aware while development. This feature is gonna really helpful. So you might have a question that we can add comment, right? We can add multiple comments. So that's why this feature is going to solve that comment problem, because let's suppose see I have added a lot of comments here in the file, and this is going to have a confusion, looks very cluttered. So what I will do, I'll just select this area. Let's suppose I want to highlight the corner radius of this card. So I'll select, automatically this card will open. I will select a category called development. I will mention property as a corner radius. So automatically a corner radius of this card is selected, whatever is there in a Figma property, which is 12 pixel. If I want to make a note, make sure the corner radius is 12 pixel. So this way you can add your own comment as well, or a specific annotation also pick it up naturally. So if I'll enter it, this is how it will come. So I can come, a development team come, and they will see that okay, this card should have a 12 pixel corner radius. So they will make sure that they are developing a 12 pixel corner radius. Also, if I want to customize this, I have to double click on this card, double click. I can copy the link of this specific annotation and share with my developer if required. I can delete annotations, or if I want to change the property from corner radius to alignment or a gap, so automatically 16 pixel gap would be taken for a different card. If I want to change the property for a height, so height, automatically height of this card is being detected 182 pixel. So I can remove this corner radius if I want. And if based on the different pages of design, this I am adding for a developer, so that's why I have selected a development page. We want at interaction level, accessibility point, content level, or you can select as a no category, and if you want you can create your own category as well. Here 4 categories provided by Figma. If you want you can create your own category called research, and you can select your own category from the drop down now. And this feature is really gonna save a lot of time and make the comment have to add a less of a comment and more of a use of this feature. So yeah, this feature is really gonna save a time, especially when you are want to point out any specific changes to your developer. Next Figma feature called check color contrast. So if you want to check a color contrast of any of the button where two multiple backgrounds are there, background and foregrounds are there, so you have to select that a specific color, go to this section where you will find a check color contrast, click on it, and you will see this field area having a 2 different segments. So if your color, the foreground color is coming in this area, then it will not meet your accessibility standard. So my color already comes in this area, so my color contrast is AA standard. If I want to make a AAA, I think it's not allowing me. Okay, so there is a multiple category, auto, last text, normal text. The 2 level is defined by a Figma, which is essential, required, especially for creating a government websites or any of the color blindness issue. Figma have defined a 2 accessibility standard, AA and AAA. AA is essential for button and all, AAA is only for text. So if I'll move my color from this section to this section, then it will not meet a standard. To meet a standard, if I'll click directly minimum whatever is required, it has redirected here. So this is good. Okay, so for this one, okay, yeah, so the text I'm having a white background. This is also meeting a AA standard. Can I make it AAA? If I'll click on it, okay, so this area has been reduced. If I want a AAA standard, I can only select this area of color as a foreground for the text, then only it will meet a AAA standard. So this area where color is eligible to make it better contrast is reduced. About the last feature, which is called boost resolution. Wherever you are having using a image which is a low resolution, that was a problem that you have to use another external website. Now this facility is available in Figma in AI beta. Boost the image resolution. So let's start. Let's find the low resolution image first. I'll go with this one. I'll just copy, paste it here in Figma. Okay, so this is having a low resolution. I'm not able to see this camel clearly. This is the original one. I will make a copy and I will try to show a difference up front. Boost resolution, just hold on for a second. Yeah, it's working. So now can you see the image? It's been detailed out. You can at least see the face now, the camel face. Here the face was not clear, it's quite blurry, look like a camera resolution was quite low when picture was taken. So if you will see the spot a difference, that this plugin which is in AI beta, which is only available for professional and above plan, is helping us to boost the resolution up. So if any image, low quality image you are using in your design, this feature is gonna help you a lot. That's it for today video, and hope you got a valued. Hope you are going to use this feature in your day-to-day designing and saves a lot of time and speed of your work. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe it so you get a latest notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.